The Get Your State Pension service is an online service for anyone approaching state pension age to get their state pension. We currently invite approximately 450,000 citizens to claim their state pension a year, and what that equates to is approximately over 30,000 people a month who potentially are going to come in and use the digital service.
The previous system that was in place was an online web form offering. Get Your State Pension has transformed that service offering by significantly reducing the amount of information that we require from citizens, because we are better using information that is already available to us within our departments.
On the face of it, our service is simple looking. It's probably about half a dozen pages. But underneath all of that, there's this great big iceberg of technical stuff that makes it all work. So we've got interfaces to third parties, we get data from other government departments, we have security considerations to take care of, we have cloud infrastructure to build, we have databases to maintain. There is a massive amount of technology that goes to just underpin those half dozen pages that a user might see.
As a user researcher, I work as part of a design team alongside an interaction designer and a content designer. That involves me going out, utilising a range of methodologies, speaking to people, conducting usability tests, lab tests, running focus groups, and it allows us to test our service, test what we're building to make sure that when we actually put something out there, it works for our users, we're building the right thing, and it's based on the right assumptions as well.
A developer will take requirements which are in the forms of user stories. We will then sit down as a development team and work out how we're going to break them stories down into individual tasks. So one of the tasks might be, right, one developer goes up and develops the front end for it, the user interface. One developer might go off and write the component which writes the database, and the other developer will go off and write all the glue which joins the front end with the database together.
The whole process of development is automated to ensure that nothing gets missed, and to ensure that if there's any changes or any regress or any bug, it is caught early before it gets to live. We carry out what we call cross-browser testing, and this covers all the browsers, Safari, Firefox, Chrome, and then also different devices, iOS, Android. All this we test the service on them to make sure that they're fit for purpose.
Since we went into public beta, it's been very exciting. There's been a big buzz on the team because we are looking at the data and we're looking at the feedback, and we hit extremely high satisfaction rates.
I think the great thing about working on Get Your State Pension in particular is that you get the sense that we're delivering a lot to a large number of people. We're out there, thousands of people are using this thing that we have built based on all the hard work that everyone has put into it.
We are a dedicated, passionate team, and it's only because of that I believe that we've really been able to deliver such a fantastic service. Each and every team member feels they own part of that vision, the product and the service, and without those people having, that commitment and will to adapt and learn themselves, it probably wouldn't have been possible.